Welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, MoCo Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install, head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with the installation, reload your page. Then you scroll down to the custom page of the app. Click on it. Then you're going to have the interface of the app itself with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to walk you through on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an API key and a site URL to complete your configuration. Head to the account we've created online. Click on your profile and you click on Profile again. Then you click on Integration and scroll right down over here. Copy the API key. Head back to your account and you paste. Let's go back to the app. We copy our URL and we paste. Then you click on Complete Setup and your app will be successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for the support team. And we have the last feature, which is the change log, that you're going to track all the updates and improvements of this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.